Hello guys, today we will take a look at Ambrane fast charging type C cable. So this is a fast charging cable, so it's uh, made in India and it's 1.5 centimeter in length. So as you can see here, the length of the cable is 1.5 meter. Here it is written. So I just received this. Let's open and see what's inside the box. I would require to open this. So here's the seal, and let's break it out and let's see. So in the box we get a braided cable. So as you can see here, it's a braided completely, and this is for wrapping it off, and it's quite a long, as you can see. It seems to be 1.5, and the quality, as you can see, it's if you are able to see that, yeah, so it's 12/21. Date of manufacturing is mentioned here. Seems good, and inside seems copper, I guess, or it should be somewhat near to steel. Not sure about that, but yeah, overall seems sturdy, and Ambrane is marked into the cable. So let's see what else we get inside the box. And in the box we have a user manual. Had a treat reviews online, so online and warranty registration, and you can advise them something. So this is what we get. Please like, share and subscribe this video. So this is a good one if you want to. Generally the USB cables you get with the phone are 1 meter long, but this one is 1.5, so it would be quite useful. And this is a braided cable as well, so it will last long. I have ordered it from Amazon. Will leave a link in the description, so please like, share and subscribe this video. Thank you. Thanks for watching.